If you were injured due to someone else's actions, you have the right to seek fair compensation in court. By filing a personal injury claim, you may be compensated for medical bills, lost wages, damaged property, and more. However, Colorado law limits the time you have to file your case. This deadline is known as the Statute of Limitations and is strictly enforced. Colorado's Statute of Limitations for most personal injury lawsuits sets the deadline at 2 years from the date of the accident. This rule applies to almost all cases seeking compensation for injury caused by another person. However, Colorado sets a more generous statute of limitations for auto accidents, one of the most recurring case types. If you were injured in an auto accident, Colorado's statute of limitations gives you 3 years from the date of the accident to file your case. If your case cannot be heard in court because you missed the filing deadline, you will lose most of your leverage when negotiating with an at-fault party and their insurers. By eliminating the possibility of taking the case to court, you may ultimately be forced to accept a minimum offer allowed under the governing insurance policy. In most cases, the statute of limitations begins its countdown on the day you are injured. Once time runs out, there are very few exceptions to prevent your case from being permanently barred. That said, exceptions do exist and include the following. 1. Minors and disabled individuals. Minors and individuals with a disability receive extra time to file personal injury claims seeking compensation. In particular, the statute of limitations only begins to run against minors once they legally become adults at 18. It may also start to run against both minors and disabled individuals once a legal representative is appointed on their behalf. 2. The discovery rule. Certain injuries do not appear until after the accident. In these cases, the statute of limitations may be extended to account for the late appearance. It may also be extended when a victim did not initially know that the at-fault party's actions caused their injury. This exception is sometimes known as the discovery rule. If you were injured in an accident in Colorado, do not wait to speak with an attorney. Contact the Wilhite law firm for a free consultation with an experienced personal injury attorney today.